Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of having a website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com and click Login. And let's get our email address and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. So for doing this webinar, we're going to create a post. And we're going to show the benefits of having a website. And let's go ahead and get rid of this here. And let's go full screen. So from Dashboard, we're going to click on Website. This is where our editing tools are. And we have Post, Pages, Settings, Analytics. Today we're going to create a post. So let's click on Post. And these are our previous posts on our blog page. So let's go to Create New Post. Enter title, benefits of having a website. And then we're going to scroll down here. I already have it pasted into my clipboard. So I'm going to just paste this unformatted, Control-Shift-V. And there it is, benefits of having a website right there. So let's go ahead and highlight that. Go bold, italic, and let's just go like 18 point. And let's center that here. Oops, let's go back here. So let's bring this down, and now let's center this, the title. Okay, and then here are the benefits of having the website. First of all, you promote sales and services online. And people can, find you and purchase your sales and services. So that's an obvious one. You expand your reach. This, again, pretty obvious, but you expand your ability to reach new and existing customers locally, worldwide. You provide 24/7 availability for your visitors viewing your website. So that's all good stuff. Then you can create branding. You project the image that you want people to see. That's very important. It allows you to paint a picture of your business. So, you're going to create the picture that you want your audience to see. And also audience education. What you do is you're going to educate the visitors on what it is you do and what you have to offer. You're going to list some benefits, and you can do more than that as well. And then number 6 here, you're going to have a public face by having a website. It's going to give you credibility. You're going to look professional and legitimate. People know you're credible. And number 7, you build long-term engagement. So if you have a blog, it allows you to replicate the engagement time over time. And having that long-term engagement, going back to your customers through a newsletter, that sort of thing. It allows sharing of blog posts of social media. And again, this goes back to the blog, and you're going to attract prospective customers. So when you create a blog, you can do a newsletter out of that blog. You can advertise your blog on social media, and you can actually advertise your website on social media, and it's going to attract new customers. And also, you build your customer base with the newsletter sign up. And each website that you build on connect.dataczar.com comes with a newsletter sign up. So you're going to build your email list, and it gives you the foundation for doing the email marketing campaign. And then number 10 is targeted marketing. And you can use Dataczar's automation for creating a newsletter send. So if you go to automation right here, you can take your blog, you can create a newsletter, then you can send emails to your list. And that's it. Those are the benefits we have for having a website. So let's go ahead and create this page. And we created the page. It's right here, benefits of having a website. So let's go ahead and go to our AAA outdoor scenes. And this is where we created the blog. Let's do Control F5. Let's go ahead and refresh it. And let's go to our blog page. And then this is the blog post that we just created. Oops, Control F5. There it is. Just took a second to load. So the benefits of having a website, right here, and there it is. And you promote your sales and services, you expand your reach, you create your branding, allows you to paint the picture of your business, audience education, public face, credibility, build long-term engagement, allow sharing a blog post on social media. You build up your customer base through the newsletter sign up right here. And you can do targeted marketing with the newsletter send. You can also share this blog post through Facebook and Twitter just by clicking on those buttons. And let's go back to our blog. And then also look for our other tutorial video that we did recently, Benefits of a Blog, because there's a lot of benefits of having a blog as well, which goes hand in hand with the benefits of having a website. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect, and let's go back to Dashboard, and that's it. Those are the benefits of having a website with Dataczar Connect.